Hi, welcome to my lecture on unit impulse signal or Dirac delta function. Unit The impulse signal is a signal with infinite magnitude and zero duration. So this will be having two definitions. This is first definition, this is second definition. Two combination, it is AND. Okay, area of unit impulse function is always equal to 1. Okay, unit impulse signal we need to define with two equations. Number one, this is del of t equal to infinity at t equal to 0, and this 0 t is not equal to 0. And second, integral minus infinity to plus infinity del of t dt equal to 1. So this two definition is must. Okay, you cannot write only this is the only one definition for unit impulse. These two equations you need to write for defining unit impulse signal. This is has given by Dirac. Dirac is a physicist. He introduced this topic. So what is the beauty of this topic is, like suppose I have a signal temperature. Today's temperature like morning 6 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. like temperature, this is like 25 degrees to 40 degrees. Okay, so now I want temperature at 12:05 p.m. Okay, so what is the temperature at 12:05 p.m. So now we can tell directly what is the here graph is there, like 40 degrees. We can tell 40 degrees centigrade. But how system will point out this point? How system will get this point? How computer, what is the process is going on to identify at this point? Okay, so this through unit impulse signal you can fetch. Got it? So how it will be, we see now. So here we have defined del of t equal to infinity. If you draw this waveform t, del of t at 0, we have infinite amplitude. Infinite amplitude. It is going infinity. And at t is not equal to 0, here we have a 0. Here only you have infinite amplitude. It is going infinity. It is going, keep on going. Clear? So it is reaching to infinity. So, and area, if you calculate area of this one, like integration of area, it should be equal to 1. How? We'll see. See, for explain this one, we will go some other method. For example, if I take signal, some other signal x of t 1 by 2a minus a less than t less than a 0 otherwise. Okay, if you draw this one signal minus a to plus a, we have amplitude of 1 by 2a, right? This is x of t signal. Okay, so what is the area of this signal? Area, height into width, right? What is the width? A plus a, 2a, right? 2a width, area 2a into height is 1 by 2a. It is equal to 1, right? It is 1. Area is 1. Now what I will do is, without disturbing area, I will compress the signal. So what I will do is, here minus a by 2, here plus a by 2. So area should be 1. Then what will happen? This height will increase, right? What should be the height? 1 by a, right? So here distance is a, now area is a, width is a, and height is 1 by a, again area is 1. Now again if you compress, we should maintain area is 1 only. So again if you compress here, minus a by 4 and a by 4, a by 2, right? Then height should be, to maintain area 1, height should be 2 by a, right? So area a by 2 into 2 by a, so again 1. So if you bring this width 0, then height should be infinite, right? So that this is what the signal. I will explain you in some somewhat different manner. Okay, you take 1 liter of water. Okay, so on floor I'm pouring on the floor this 1 liter of water. So at zero width, so width should be infinity, right? Okay, suppose I will pour in the some vessel, so it may come 1 liter of water, so width will decrease, height will increase, right? Now same 1 liter of water I am pouring in water bottle. Okay, so this 1 liter of water will come up to here, width will reducing, water height will increase, right? So now what I will do is, very thin pipe I will take, in this 1 liter of water I will pour. So water quantity is 1 liter only, but I am thickness I am reducing, so this height will increase, right? Again I will make it to zero thickness pipe, very zero thickness pipe, there is no thickness, then water is will reach to infinite height, right? But water is 1 liter only. So this is what exactly same unit impulse signal. What is of unit impulse signal? Here number one property, suppose del of t impulse signal, if you perform amplitude scaling by a naught, so then this will be a naught del of t. So let us see the difference, what changes going to happen. So we will always will represent del of t with two equations. First one is del of t is infinity at t equal to 0 and 0 t is not equal to 0, right? This is one. And second one, integral minus infinity to plus infinity del of t dt equal to 1. So this is indicating area. Okay, so how will represent this signal at last? So it will be having infinite amplitude, del of t having infinite amplitude, and area equal to 1. Okay, here we'll write area, okay, not amplitude, very careful. Now after doing here, see two equations of what's going to happening. So here first one is we are multiplying with a naught, right? So both sides will multiply with a naught del of t equal to a naught into infinity only at t equal to 0, and a naught into 0 only, t is not equal to 0, right? And second one, let us integrate this one, integral minus infinity to plus infinity a naught del of t dt. If you integrate this signal, so here a naught is constant, a naught if you take out, minus infinity to plus infinity del of t dt. Now this is equal to 1, right? According to definition, this is equal to a naught. So area is a naught we are getting, this area is we are getting 1, for this area is a naught we are getting. So how will draw this one? This one will draw signal a naught del of t signal, this is okay. Here at 0 area is a naught, area is changing. So next, second one, if del of t, if you perform time reversal, so del of minus t, right? Let us draw del of t, del of minus t. So del of t is, we know at 0 we have a area 1 and infinite amplitude, right? So if you perform del of minus t, still you will get same only, right? Time reversal, so it will not change. Del of minus t only we are getting, both are same only, and area equal to 1 only, right? So from this what you can conclude, del of t equal to del of minus t, that means it is a even signal, right? So what is the condition for even signal? X of t should be equal to x of minus t, then we can tell that it is a even signal. Impulse signal is a even signal. Now let us see third property. Del of t, if it time shift by minus k, so t minus k will come. Let us see difference. Okay, so del of t we know all these things. So wherever the t is that, we need to replace by t minus k, right? So let us replace here t by t minus k. So here del of t minus k equal to infinity, t minus k equal to 0, and 0 t minus k, it is not equal to 0, right? So if you solve further, it is infinity at t equal to k and 0 at t is not equal to k, right? Now same here also we need to integrate this one. So let us integrate this one, minus infinity to plus infinity, del of t minus k dt. So if you perform this integration, how we are going to perform? Here t minus k will assume tau, t minus k will assume tau, t equal to tau plus k, dt equal to d tau, right? K is constant. So minus infinity to plus infinity, d tau and d tau, right? This is equal to 1 only, right? Instead of t, it is tau is there, but format is same, right? This is equal to 1. So area is 1 only, but it shifted now. If you draw now this one, this signal is, now it is a somewhat k here, it shifted to here, and here we have a infinite amplitude we have, but area is still again it is 1 only. So del of t minus k this is. So let us see one example. Draw del of t minus 3 signal. So how we are going to draw this one? We know del of t is infinity at t equal to 0 and 0 t is not equal to 0, and integral minus infinity to plus infinity del of t dt equal to 1. So here wherever the t is there, you need to replace by t minus 3, del of t minus 3 infinity, t minus 3 equal to 0, and 0 t minus 3 is not equal to 0, right? If you draw further, infinity at t equal to 3 and 0 t is not equal to 3, right? So if you draw this one, so already we have seen area will not change if you shift the signal. This is del of t minus 3. At 3 you have a infinity amplitude and area is 1. Now let us see the one more property. Del of at equal to 1 by mod a del of t. So very important property. You need to remember, many times asked in exams. So here time scaling we are doing. So when you perform time scaling, it will affect area. Okay, here whatever the value is the area, fine. See, time scaling we have done. Here a naught is giving area of the signal. Okay, it is not amplitude. For any signal, here any signal some constant is there, that will give the amplitude, but del of t here it will give area of the signal. It is not amplitude. For del of t will be having infinite amplitude, and here whatever it is there, it is not amplitude, it is the area. So this is the here also it is the area of the signal. Clear? So here I will give a x of t, that means amplitude into x of t. Here amplitude is a. Okay, for a, so del of t, if you give, this is area into del of t. Fine. So this is area here, it is here amplitude. So now let us see here, we will perform like del of t time scaling, we will get del of at, right? So let us see what we are getting. So here we have two equations, del of at, wherever the t is there I am substituting here. So infinity and at equal to 0, and 0 at is not equal to 0, right? If you solve further, it is infinity, and a, if you go here, t equal to 0 only, and here 0, t is not equal to 0, so it didn't shift anywhere, right? And amplitude also infinity only. So let us find the area of this one. So del of at dt, wherever the at is there I will replace by tau, at I will replace by tau. So here t equal to 1 by a tau, dt equal to 1 by a d tau. Now I will solve minus infinity to plus infinity. Here del tau dt is replaced by 1 by a d tau. So 1 by a is a constant, I am keeping away, minus infinity to plus infinity, del of tau d tau. So 1 by a got. So for this signal I have done integration. I got 1 by a is the area. So if you draw this one like here only, area equal to 1 by a, 0 t, this is del of at. And y mod. So let us solve some example, you will understand. Suppose del of 3t is there. So this you can write example 1. What you can write? 1 by 3 del of t we can write. So directly like this we can do it. Okay. Suppose example 2, del of minus 3t is there. This is also I said 1 by 3 del of t only we can write. Okay, let us prove this one. Now I am finding area of this one. Area is minus infinity to plus infinity del of minus 3t dt, right? So here minus 3t equal to, I am assuming tau. So here t equal to minus 1 by 3 tau, dt equal to minus 1 by 3 d tau. Now limits also we need to change, right? So lower limit is minus infinity, so tau equal to become a plus infinity. Now upper limit, now tau will become a minus infinity. Okay, now I am replacing with complete equation with tau. So here plus infinity to minus infinity, del of tau and minus 1 by 3 d tau. So by using this minus, can I interchange these limits? So now minus infinity to plus infinity del of tau d tau, and this is multiplying with 1 by 3, right? Now this area is 1, right? So 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3 into del of t. If you do both side integration, it will area is 1, right? So let us see now this example to del of minus 2t plus 3. How we are going to solve this one? Del of minus 2 and taking common, t minus 3 by 2 will come. Now this is in the form of del of at, right? If del of at, 1 by a mod del of t, right? So here same I am writing this one, 1 by minus 2 is a mod del of t minus 3 by 2. So here it should be positive, t should keep positive only. Okay, like 1 by 2 del of t minus 3 by 2. So let us see one more property, x of t del of t minus t naught is equal to x of t naught del of t minus t naught. So this is also very important equation you need to remember. Let us solve some example, understand this one. So example 1 is, suppose I have x of t signal and this is multiplied with del of t minus 1, means at 1 you have a infinite amplitude and area is 1. So these two signal, multiplication of two signal, if you multiply these two signal, what's happening? So this is completely 0, right? So here completely 0, and after 1 also it is completely 0, right? This is also 1 also completely 0. So at 1 you have a 3, right? So only this point only multiplying, you see, remaining all are it making 0. Okay, So here what you are getting at last, this 3 will take, and this is del of t minus 1 is the answer, right? What's happening here? 0 at 1 you have a infinity amplitude and area become 3, because infinity is multiplying with something, it's infinity only, but area is becoming 3. Got it? So here that's what x of t naught, because here t naught is 1 at, here 1 at 1 you need to multiply, right? 3 here 1 we have a 3, that's why 3 is multiplied with this one. Okay, let us see example 2 in this. 2 t square del of t minus 4. So then this will be here 2 into here 4 square del of t minus 4. So this is 16 and 32. Del of t minus 4 is the answer. One more example. Suppose x of t cos 4t del of 2t minus pi. So how you are going to solve this one? Here first it is, you cannot take this one, it is scaling is there. Cos 4t del of 2 t minus pi by 2. So this is del of at in the form, this 1 by a del of t you can write. So this cos 4t, this 1 by 2 del of t minus pi by 2. Now 1 by 2 cos 4t del of t minus pi by 2. So now this is x of t, this is del of t minus pi. So here t naught, here t naught is pi by 2. So wherever the t is there, you need to substitute this value. So 1 by 2 cos 4 into pi by 2 del of t minus pi by 2. So 1 by 2 cos 2 pi del of t minus pi by 2. So 2 pi is equal to 1. 1 by 2 del of t minus pi by 2. So this is the answer. So let us see sixth one. Very important this also. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity x of t del of t minus t naught dt equal to x of t naught. This is also you need to remember. See here, we can prove this one. From this you can write like minus infinity to plus infinity x of t del of t minus t naught dt equal to, you can write minus infinity to plus infinity x of t naught del of t minus t naught dt, right? So this is now constant only, right? It is not independent of t. This is x of t naught is constant now. Minus infinity to plus infinity del of t minus t naught dt. So this area is 1 only. Time shifting area is will not affect the area. It is equal to 1, right? So x of t naught into 1 equal to x of t naught. See, now you got this is here 3, right? So if same the signal, if you do integration directly 3 value will get. I said at 1 what is the value we want? 3. Got it? From this, by using impulse signal, system can able to find at which point what is the value is there. From graph it will fetch the value. So let us see this example. Integral minus 5 to plus 4 del of t minus 5 dt. See, it is not integral minus infinity to plus infinity. Be careful. See, del of minus 5 signal will be like this, right? Del of t minus 5 signal will be at 5 we have a infinite amplitude, right? So for this signal, if you do integration, you will get 1. Area is 1, right? So here integration is we are doing from minus 5 to 4 only. Okay, this is not covering. In integration it is not covering. So we are doing integration in this range, but signal we have a here. So this 0 we are doing completely 0 only. This is not valid. Okay, so answer is 0. Suppose example 2, minus 5 to plus 6 del of t minus 5 dt. Now we are covering minus 5 to up to 6. Okay, so this signal also covering. So this area is 0, but del of t minus 5 area is 1 and this is 0. So area is now 1. So let us see example 3. Sine t del of 2t minus pi. So how will you going to solve this one? Sine t, here del of 2 common you take, t minus pi by 2. So now scaling, right? Del of at equal to 1 by mod a del of t. So now from this if you write sine t 1 by 2 del of t minus pi by 2. So now 1 by 2 sine t del of t minus pi by 2. So this is now x of t del of t minus t naught, right? Then what you can write, x of t naught del of t minus t naught we can write, right? So here what are the x of t is, here t naught is this one. So t naught directly substitute here, 1 by 2 sine pi by 2 del of t minus pi by 2. So this is 1. So 1 by 2 del of t minus pi by 2. So let us see example 4. So integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power of minus 3t del of minus 2t plus 1 dt. So e power of minus 3t, integral minus infinity to plus infinity is there, no need to worry. Here del minus 2 you take common, t minus 1 by 2, right? So now from this you can write, so scaling this formula I am using, integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power of minus 3t 1 by 2 del of t minus 1 by 2 dt, minus infinity to plus infinity 1 by 2 e power of minus 3t del of t minus 1 by 2 dt. So if you go further, 1 by 2 e power of minus 3 by 2. Next example 5 will go, minus infinity to plus infinity e power of minus t del of t minus 5 dt. So see this problem definition will understand. We have a e power of minus t signal like this at 0 1, and this is t. Okay, at t equal to 5, what is the value is there for this system need to find, right? So here x of t del of t minus t naught, right? So then you will write minus infinity to plus infinity e power of minus 5 del of t minus t naught dt, and this is area is 1, e power of minus 5 is constant, minus infinity to plus infinity del of t minus t naught dt, this area is 1. So e power of minus 5 value is there, see. So from this you can get e power of minus 5. It will point out the signal. By using the signal you can get so and so point, you can fetch the value from the signal.